Hey guys, so I wanted to come on here because I recently found these really cool platforms, Google Chrome extension that will help you increase your productivity, especially if you're working remotely. There's so many new platforms and technologies that they're coming out with that's going to help increase your productivity, and I kind of want to put it to the test. I am a bit skeptical, I'm not gonna lie, but I am excited to dive in and see how this would actually help with my content creation or my project management or just my day-to-day activities. So if you guys are ready, I will show you guys what we're working with. The first one I'm looking at here, it's called Loom, L-O-O-M. I'm sure you guys have heard this before or seen it online, on a post, on social media, on Twitter. I'm really excited to try this because, you know, when you have a Windows like computer as compared to a Mac and the iOS, you can record and screen record directly on the device, but on Windows you cannot do that. So I'm just like looking around at what other options are available, and I landed on this one. Super excited to kind of test it out. So far I think the marketing is pretty on point, and it says that 4 million people across 200,000 companies choose Loom, and there's some popular companies here that are well known, like Apple and Disney and Warner Brothers, Ford, Mercedes-Benz, Walmart, Wayfair, Gap, Tesla. It can go on and on. So if that's the case, like all these companies are using it and saying that it's good, I want to test it out myself. So if you guys are ready, it's gonna be my first time, just super unfiltered review on how I feel about it. So fingers crossed, wish me luck. So if you guys are ready, let's get to it. In loom.com, and it's the first thing that pops up, and then there's a bunch of tabs at the top. It clearly seems that there is a version that you have to pay for. I will not be doing that unless I know that it actually works well and I like it. But I will be using the free version for this demonstration. So it says, get Loom for free, record quick videos to update your team and cut down meetings by 29%. That's a very calculated number. I'm just really curious on how they got that. And these are all the companies that are using it as well. And especially when you scroll down, it does a little bit of an explanation, like she looks so pretty in this little box. I love it, like her background is so cool. I love like these like color patterns they got going on. And okay, this is the part that I'm curious to test it out, because it says that after you record the video, you can just simply paste the link of your video to your recipients and they can just click on it and watch it without creating an account. I'm guessing it's like the same thing like how YouTube works or how Instagram, TikTok, you can just share the links. It's online on their server and someone can just click on that link and go see the video itself. Okay. So where do I get to the point? Okay, get Loom for free. So I'm gonna click download. Oh, it makes me sign up. Okay, so I'm gonna sign up for this. Okay, so I signed up and this entire video was actually shot on Loom. So there you go. I actually must say I really enjoyed using it. I think it's so easy to get signed up and have the extension, or you can choose to download the app, like just clicking a button and walking through the steps. It literally took me less than 2 minutes to sign up and start recording, and that's why I record this entire video on Loom. So I very much encourage you guys to go check it out, go download, go sign up and use it, because it's going to increase your productivity. Like the fact that I was able to do that so seamlessly is a big help for me. So thank you to the team at Loom for creating such an amazing product, and I look forward to use this more in my content creation and my project management. Thank you guys for listening, and guys, next time.